Santorini, Greece. We've just been sweating, and then it dries, and then re-sweating, and then it dries again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the Sydney Musin Show with your host, Sydney Musin. Today we are in Santorini, Greece. It is so beautiful here, and I think the last time I've been here was around 5 years ago, so it's even better this time around. And Fira and I are here together. We are actually taking a week-long cruise around Europe. This is the second day port, and we are thriving over here. I have this basil, I don't even know what kind of drink this is, but it's amazing. And we are living our truth here. Before I forget, yesterday was our day at sea, and so I want to show you a couple clips that I got from that. Good morning everybody. Today is a new day. It's actually our day at sea. I know this is a great angle you're looking at me from, but I'm in front of the pickleball courts currently, so if you hear that in the background or the steam engine, that's probably why. Kara and I got up super late, so it's about noon. We're just starting our day and we're gonna head to the buffet for lunch. But it's pretty much the update today. We're just gonna be laying out today, eating. That's pretty much it. Enjoy. Got some more food, shocker. Got some dragon fruit here, fried rice, cold cuts, and more of this caprese salad. It's so good. We've just been tanning for like 2 hours now, and still see blue water. Currently getting ready for dinner now. I could take like a 3-hour nap, but tonight is fancy night, so Kara and I are gonna wear dresses, I guess. Great view. Thank you. No, I love escargot. Little watermelon tomato salad. Thank you. Yes. Wow, girl. Back to the room and we saw this, but this is the main thing we saw. So I've been having my computer on and he's literally working at my computer. That's so funny. The fact that she had to take the time to move it over there. Now back to the Santorini vlog. Today we are in Santorini, Greece. We just arrived this morning actually, and it was actually a pretty interesting way of how we got here. So when you arrive at the port, there's actually two options. You can take a cable car up or you can take a speedboat to Ia. I definitely recommend taking a speedboat to Ia because this is where you want to spend your first moments in Santorini. No, it's like 4 hours. embarking on a journey up the stairs to Ia. Okay, maybe have a little shame. Kira saw a cat. Aww. We came to this place called 28, I think. The 28 degrees. The view is beautiful. I mean, look at that. We got a couple yellow donkeys. We got some moussaka, Greek salad, beautiful. Alec makes his different. What do you think moussaka is? It's potato, meat, and eggplant. It's so good. Profusely sweating, so you have to keep coming in shops, but oh, the fan is out. Now we're about to head on a bus and take it to Fira, which is around 20 minutes away. So let's go. We're about to get on the bus. 3 hours in, we've just been sweating, and then it dries, and then re-sweating, and then it dries again. And here we are. In Fira, and we're gonna walk around. We obviously stopped to get some drinks, but we are just chugging along. We're gonna do some shopping and pretty much just end out our night here and then hopefully see an amazing sunset. We are currently heading to Lucky's. It is a place we went when I was here 5 years ago. It's like a really good gyro place. It's just up ahead. It's like a little hole in the wall place, but it's so good, and it's like has fries in it, and it's so authentic. Such a throwback. We got some Blue Monkey beer. Yay! We got our 2 little gyros. They look so good. I think we just met Lucky, and all the Greek boys are obsessed with Kara, and he was like, I hope to see you again, my angel, he's like my 62. Anyways, yes, we met Lucky himself. He's a beautiful little man, and you should all visit Lucky's souvlaki here. Oh my gosh, we found salt and vinegar chips. We've been wanting Lay's, just like chips in general, and we found the salt and vinegar, so we're getting 2. Oh gosh. We've been needing this, but the cool flavors are prawn cocktail, yogurt, and herb. We have a tzatziki flavor. I ended up getting a scoop of the baklava ice cream, which looks so good. Because we were gonna get a little thing of baklava, but now we just were like, no, ice cream is the vibe right now. And then I got a white donkey. I've tried 3 of the 5 beers of the crazy donkey beer, but all of them have been really, really good. We're about to start the trek down to get back on the cruise ship. Ours is the second one out there. We gotta walk down this path because we decided we don't want to take the cable car. It's too long of a line. Oh my gosh, this one yawned. This one yawning. Truthfully, the walk down is not bad whatsoever. It's actually really pretty, and even though the sun's on you, it's like very calming. And I swear it's like a 4-hour wait up there for the cable car, so we were not gonna do that. Almost there. I think it took like maybe max 15 minutes to walk. You just have to watch out for little splatterings, but other than that, it was pretty chill. Bye, Santorini. We're treating this as our sunset cruise. The tender boat. The tender boat is our sunset cruise away from the port.
My son just called me. He's like, Dad, she's just trying to get me for breakfast. Yeah. Oh my God. So I'm just worried. Well, it's on my bed. It's in the bed. It's on the bed. Yeah. It's when I woke him up.
We could have been on that.
It may not have.
We're on a budget. Back in the room again. Guys, Santorini was so much fun. I have never walked so much in my entire life. Again, it's so beautiful, but I'm like, I can't be doing like up and down the stairs this much. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed Santorini today. It was definitely a full-blown. I think I definitely got burned a little bit, like everywhere on my entire body. I'm gonna decompress, take a nice shower, and see you guys tomorrow in Rhodos, Greece. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, Felice.
I got tons of soul.